What's up, everybody? Zoe Zabuki with Edge Home Finance. This is your market update. Today we are talking about appraisals. And more specifically, what are we doing about appraisals? But first, I want to give a pretty cool announcement that I'm pretty excited about. And it comes with an appraisal giveaway. So here's the announcement. I am on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that's right. Holla at your boy. I'm on YouTube. And here's what my giveaway is. For the first 100 subscribers, they're gonna get an appraisal cost covered for them if they don't get an appraisal waiver, either on a refinance or on a purchase. So that's my giveaway. Help me get to 100 subscribers. Click on the link below and share it with some friends if you don't mind. That would be awesome. So pretty excited about that. I was talking to a kid the other day. I was like, what do you want to be when you grow up? He's like, I want to be a YouTuber. I'm inspired. I got inspired by that. All right, so on to the market update. We're talking about appraisals and what we can do about them, what we are doing about them. Because appraisals has been an issue for a lot of folks this year, especially with all the activity going on in the market. Agents, borrowers, loan officers like myself, we've been dealing with some frustrating scenarios every once in a while. And it's part of the business, it's kind of how it goes. But the thing with appraisals is, the frustrating things with appraisals is you can't always control everything with the process, especially the person that's going to actually appraise the property and the value of the property, right? But there's parts of the process that we can control, and that's what we want to focus on. So three things, my fingers aren't working, three things that we're doing to try to help make sure that we're giving our borrowers a great appraisal experience, okay? First thing is fast orders. We're trying to get appraisal orders done quickly as soon as we get the contract by way of getting loan docs signed. The initial loan docs is what logs what's called an intent to proceed. And legally, we have to get that in order to order an appraisal. So our goal is to get that executed contract in, get the loan disclosures out, have the borrower sign, we can move on. And that process, doing that pretty quickly, helps kind of save time for when the appraiser actually can get assigned by an appraisal management company that's overseeing the process. The second thing, I'm reminding myself of my notes, the second thing is pursuing better service. So the way we're doing that is appraisal management companies is basically the overseer for communication between the lender and the appraiser. It's got to be a third-party process, right? Because the appraiser has to be a non-interested party. So the way that's done is typically appraisal management companies have a vendor list of all these appraisers that they can choose from, like a pool of appraisers. And sometimes it can be a little hard to communicate with these appraisal management companies when they're not directly connected with the lender. They're third-party companies, and so you have a different channel of communication. Well, one of the things that we can do as brokers is we can use lenders who actually have in-house appraisal management companies. And so lenders are starting to implement that. Some of our top partners are doing that. And that sometimes allows for a better service as far as the appraisal goes. Faster responses, better communication back and forth between the lender and the appraiser. So that's something that we're shooting for as well. The third thing is appraisal transfers. So if you're someone that recently had a lender that couldn't do a loan, or you're an agent that is aware of a scenario like that, give us a crack at it. We'll take a shot at the loan to see if we can do it. And then on top of that, we can transfer the appraisal from the previous lender to there's a good number of lenders that we work with that accept transferred appraisals as long as we have cooperation from the previous lender. So it's a pretty cool service. Not every lender allows it, but again, being brokers, we're able to exercise those options if we so need to do so. I think that's all I got for now. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, I'm here to help. Remember, I'm on YouTube, so subscribe, hit that link below, and let's help me get to 100 subscribers. The first 100 gets an appraisal cost covered on their next loan, whether it's refinance or purchase. Holla at your boy. All right, until next time, take care. God bless.